Hello, everything's coming up. Hydrangeas for me and for you. Look at that. Back at the flower market. I'm in the San Diego flower market where everything is beautiful. Here's a big wide shot. Look at that. And that cooler over there has a sea of flowers in there as well. So shopping in Carlsbad today for classes. Ooh, look at roses. $20 per bunch. There's 25 in a bunch. That's pretty good. Here we have some of the more exotic fillers. Odd colored carnations. Look at those. Mums. Let's check it out. Boxed hydrangeas. Look at these. Here's some nice protea from Hawaii or maybe Thailand, the different varieties. So, if you want your flowers, get to the Carlsbad Flower Market in California. Dog not for sale.
I know. Thankfully, Justin's like dead. So
Berries.
Otherwise, this would be really
Alstroemeria. Fall mums, hanging amaranthus. Shop till you drop. Michael Gaffney. Flower School 101. Here's where I get all my product for class. If you want to register, come join me. You'll do amazing, spectacular work the opening day. Flowerschool101.com. Say berries.